we're gonna get into the quad now. Two Pso Sprockets, you can just use one. I'm gonna show you the two variation right now, and then give you some pointers on how to use it with one. Main thing here that's important is that my leg, top of my thigh, is loose. This will help with getting into this area. Now, if I'm just using one, I can pull to the sides, left and right, to get into those muscles. I can just use one, go up and down that quad. And when you flex your quad, try to find those creases that you can go up and down on to help clean up that channel. There, clean up that channel. Now, what I like about two is that now it can kind of sandwich the muscle, this top quad muscle, sandwich this muscle down here, and I'm getting a couple different points that are working together, help with cleaning up that quad, to get that definition, get some strength, get some tension off that kneecap. So I've had an issue when I was in college. I got the wrong advice from my trainers about what was going on with my kneecap. They were just focusing on the knee and the kneecap itself. They didn't give me any pointers or anything about it. Could it all be coming from the top or even the bottom part of the knee, or even the inside or the outside? They didn't give me any of that. So if you're having kneecap issues, jumper's knee, patellar tendonitis, all that stuff, then it could all be coming from a tight upper thigh. And then what's also nice too about using it on the stick is I can switch from here, here, or here. I can get some there, some flat, or some of the Pso Sprocket stuff. All right? And then now I want to do a test. I want to test to see how, if I'm cleaning up areas and I'm getting the results that I want. Now, by doing a test, I can use a couch, so the couch stretch. I can do a movement where I'm on my quads here, and that's, I can be up and I can slowly come back and come up. That can be also helpful. I can do a couch stretch where I put my foot up onto a couch or a bench, a chair, a wall, and then I can then be able to get into my quad. All right? So if I'm here, I can put pillows underneath my ankles, and I can start to work up, eventually bringing this all the way up to my butt. Making sure that my butt is tight to be able to get the stretch there. All right? Maybe you're only here, no problem. Work on that periodically throughout the week, and I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on step-by-step strength training, step-by-step stretches there, things to be more aware of to help you with your training. Give that a go, and let me know how it feels.